choppy Monday. It was not beautiful. So, after the triple witching madness that happened yesterday, massive movement here over the overnight session. So, we're looking at QQQ for my stock option lovers. So, even though it was chopping, the longs were pretty good today. So, moved up about $3. So, above the VWAP, color flip, your power and your rocket is letting you know that even though it's chopping like crazy today, the bulls are taking over. And then you look at your dashboard here, it's strong bullish momentum throughout the day. So you could have scalped. There could have been some potential scalps here, but the safest plays were definitely this morning, so around 9:45, and the big bullish move that happened around 2:47. But this move right here, very small, no good scalp. So even on days like these indicators will help let you know what's going on. So now let's look at ES. Look at some futures. All right. Let's say you took this breakout signal here. So let's do a little bam. Your stop loss could be at any point. Let's say you just risk 500 to make 500, or your risk reward could be 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So breakout signal would have held you in. You could have trailed your stop with the VWAP here. Your power and your rocket is letting you know that the trend is bullish. Bullish trend. Dashboard here is showing all bullish. So you're having a good time. And then the dynamic support and resistance updates. You get another breakout cycle. Trailing. Look at that. Could have got stopped out at any point here since you would have trailed, what around 1400. But continues to keep breaking out on the upside. And this is just one mini. There you go. So if you like to trade par frames like me, get a little scalp or low risk since it's, choppy Monday, there's no news. So micros or one mini, nice moves here. So let's take a look at Tesla. A lot of people were talking about Tesla today. Yeah, kind of the same thing, just rips off the open. Tesla goes up. Wow, $16. That's pretty massive. You would have been baking in on those options right there. Your power and your rocket show explosive bulls, and it continues to chop for the rest of the day. So you could have exited any point here, or when it comes down to flip over below the VWAP or candle color flip. So, yep, Tesla went boom today. Let's look at Nvidia. Oof, got some chop going on here. and then it candle flips, and then bam, breaks out. So you could have been like, I think Nvidia wants to move up today, so you could have entered on this candle flip and rode that move. If you want to know how to get these exact indicators, getting these juicy longs, scalping the shorts, breakout cycle, get your multi-time frame candles here, your volume matrix, power, rocket. Definitely hit that subscribe button and get me to at least 200 subscribers. I will show you how to get these exact indicators.